Good morning, friends. I have just ordered a 40-inch View Play Full HD TV from Flipkart in 2019. There is something changed in this model. In the previous model, we got a 16-watt speaker, and in this model, we got a 20-watt speaker. Okay. Let's first unbox it. Let's see what comes inside the box. So first we can see that here is the TV stand. If you don't want to mount your television on the wall, you can use this television stand. So it can be placed like that. There's two television stands. Then there is a small box here. Let's see what is inside that. And this is quite surprising. It comes from LG. I think it is a wall mount. This can help us to mount your television on the wall. Let's first unbox it and let's see what is inside in the box. Opening it. So, this all comes inside the box. There is a manual guide which is shown how to mount the wall. Although some technician will come to your home and mount this, so you just not need to mount by yourself. Okay. So these are the mounts. Okay. Now the TV unit. This is something written. I think this is the product code. Packaging gives only papers to protect your screen. Now this is the TV remote, and this is quite old-fashioned remote. You can see that in View, California. It's from View, California. Normal TV remote, there is no IR remote. There are two AAA batteries inside the remote, and this is the guide, and this is the power rating, and this is the screw from which we can use to tight the stands. This is the power ratings. This is a 5-star power rating, means it will consume very low. It is a very energy efficient device. This is the user manual. You can use it or not. This is not very necessary. This shows the functioning of remotes and all, PC setting and all, digital multimedia player. This is the View Play. This is a 40-inch television, and I will show. This is the brief explanation about the TV and the warranty card also. So now I am going to take out the main TV unit. This is the TV unit. You can see. Yeah. The first look is quite impressive. I have previously on television, and you can't get this look at only 16,000 price. This looks so elegant. and beautiful. And there is a small logo here. I will first fix it on my table, then I'll show the picture quality and all.